Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are on Windows 11 25H2, you have received in the last 24 to 48 hours a update. And if you go to your Windows updates, I've noticed because I had that little icon that said I need to restart, but it is this update that has been pushed. It's called simply 2026-03 update, and it is KB5085516. Brings your build to 26200-8039, and this is a emergency fix that's being pushed to Windows 11 25H2 users. It has to do with the different apps that can't connect because people can't connect to their Microsoft accounts with the apps, and so it's causing issues with a lot of users. Well, they have pushed this fix to actually fix the problem of connectivity with all of these apps. So all of these little problems should be gone after this update. And usually when you do this, that means that there's probably a higher amount of user than maybe you're saying that are having the problem, because Microsoft doesn't push emergency fixes until it is apparent that it's very important to do so. So out of band update being pushed. This is not the preview updates that we're waiting for, which should arrive sometime in the week ahead. And it is the bug fixing update for the core apps that can't connect to a Microsoft account. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.